Let us now move to the next two topics of the chapter, that is degrees of comparison and correct use of adjectives. Okay, so first we'll discuss the degrees of comparison. You all are acquainted with the degrees of comparison. We have studied last year also. So actually the adjectives of quality, they bear these degrees of comparison. And basically there are three degrees of comparison. One is positive, second comparative, and third is superlative. Now let us discuss the positive degree of comparison. The positive degree is used when no comparison is made. Positive degree itself has no comparison. Okay, neither we are comparing it with the another. We are saying that this thing or this person has this quality. Okay, for example, the house is big. Here we are not saying that house number A is bigger than house number B or house number A is the biggest. We are not saying like that. We are saying that the house is big. मतलब वो घर बड़ा है, उसका किसी के साथ कोई कंपैरिजन नहीं है. So this is called the positive degree of comparison. यहाँ पे हम कंपेयरिंग नहीं कर रहे, we are stating that it has the quality. Clear? Okay. Next is as dot dot as. It's a phrase which is used in a sentence. Okay, now when we are using this kind of cluster, we have to use the positive degree of comparison in between. I have given one example, just go through it. She is as cunning as a fox. Matlab, she is as clever as the fox. So we are using the word only cunning. We are not saying more cunning, most cunning. No, we are saying she has the same cleverness just as the fox. There we are not comparing. There we are saying that both are having the similar quality. Clear? Next, both as well as so वाला phrase भी है, as dot dot as वाला भी है, so dot dot as वाला भी है. ये दोनों को हम negative terms में भी use कर सकते हैं. We can say that she is not as cunning as you think. Negative में हो तो not लग जाएगा, but positive degree will be as it is. Clear? Okay. Now let us move to the second degree of comparison, that is comparative degree of comparison. पहला था positive, second is comparative. The comparative degree is used to compare two things or two group of things. When the comparison is made between two things, there we will use the comparative degree. Okay, and the most important word we use in the comparative degree is than. THAN, than. See the example. This man is older than the other. We are saying that this person is older than the next person or the other person. Then we are comparing between the two people. So than is used. Another example. Preeti is taller than any other girl in the class. मतलब कोई और लड़कियां जितना क्लास में है उनसे प्रीति टॉलर है. जस्ट रिमेंबर टू कंपैरेटिव डिग्री इज सेकेंड टाइप. सो कंपैरिजन अगर दो के बीच में हो तो अगर कंपैरिजन दो के बीच में हो तो वी विल यूज अ कंपैरेटिव डिग्री. ओके, अंडरस्टूड. एंड उसमें ई आर लगता है या ओ आर लगता है. ठीक है. It always has the ending word er. Generally it carries, but in case of irregular adjectives they use more. More intelligent, more beautiful. Likewise, more interesting. We never say interesting. No, we say more interesting. Okay? Yeah, more beautiful. So that is exception. And if the adjective of comparison, that is comparative degree, has or at the end, then it is followed by to in the sentence. अगर तुम्हारा जो adjective है उसके ending में or आता है, जैसे मैंने कहा er आता है, comparative degree में or भी आ सकता है. तो or आया तो उसके पीछे क्या लगेगा? to लगेगा sentence में. He is senior to me. Senior has or at the end, so I have used to. Another example, my pen is superior to yours. मतलब मेरा पेन तुमसे superior है. So or is coming, so we have used to. Understood the comparative degree? Second degree of comparison is comparative. So comparison is between two things or two group of things. Okay. And we use the word than as well as the adjectives generally end in er or or. And if it is in or, we'll use to, not than. Yes. The third is the superlative degree of comparison. Okay. The superlative degree is used to compare more than two things or two group of things. We use the article the with the superlative degree of an adjective. Okay. Superlative degree में क्या होता है? सबसे बड़ा है, सुपर से ऊपर. So definitely it has the comparison for more than two things. जब comparison broader level पे हो रहा है, it is taking place at a broader level, higher level. So that is with the comparison is made between more than two people or more than two group of things. Then this is called superlative degree of comparison. And it always has the in it. The एक article है a and the, in that the is used in the superlative degree of comparison. Whenever we form, we have the in the sentence. Example, the man is the oldest of all. We have used the oldest, est. So superlative degree has the ending of est plus उसमें the article भी लगेगा. Mr. Sharma is the richest person in the city. Clear? So this is the superlative degree of comparison. 3 degrees we have discussed. Now let us move to the correct use of adjectives. First category is some and any. Some and any mean a certain number or amount. They are used with plural or uncountable nouns. Both some and any, दोनों का meaning क्या होता है? It refers to a certain number, a specific number or amount, and both are used with plural nouns or uncountable nouns. Okay, let us now discuss about some. Where are some used? सम कहाँ कहाँ यूज़ किया जाता है? फर्स्ट, इट इज़ यूज इन अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंसेस, इन द पॉजिटिव सेंटेंसेस, नॉट नेगेटिव. सिर्फ पॉजिटिव सेंटेंसेस में हम सम को यूज़ करते. एग्जाम्पल, वी बॉट सम फ्लावर्स. हाउ मच? सम. फ्लावर्स आर काउंटेबल. द flowers are plural, and therefore we are saying that we bought some flowers. Okay, next is he is busy. He has got some work to do. Some work, here work is uncountable. We cannot count that. Okay, we can say I have this much work to do, but we cannot say that 1 degree work, 2 degree work. No, so we are stating some work. So here some is used in the positive term. Next is we use some in questions where the answer yes is expected. So if you expect the answer to be yes, there you will use some. For example, have you got some money? We know that the person has some money, so they can help us. So again, we are using some in that case. Okay. Another example, could you do some typing for me? It's a request, and you expect that the answer will be yes. Therefore, you are using some. Clear? So, when to use some? Okay. Now, let's move to the next. When to use any. Any is used in negative sentences. Some we are using in the affirmative or positive. Any is used in the negative sentences. Example, we did not buy any flowers. Means हमने एक भी flower नहीं लिया. So again, example, he is lazy. He never does any work. This means zero work, nil work. He is so lazy that he does not do any work. So does not. And in the previous example, not. These are negative sentences. Therefore, we have used by in it. Okay. Next is in questions where the negative answer is expected. I hope you can do the work yourself. Do you need any help? So in certain questions where you expect that the answer will be negative, there you can use any. I hope you can do the work yourself. Do you need any help? So the answer will be no. Okay, so that answer is in negative terms. Therefore we say that in case of questions where the answer you expect is negative, there you can use any. Clear? Okay. Next is much, many. Much means a large quantity of. Okay, ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी का डिस्क्राइब करना तो हम मच यूज करेंगे. इट इज यूज्ड विथ अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स. यस, वी यूज मच विथ द अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स. एग्जाम्पल, मच इंक. We cannot say, we can say 1 drop, 2 drop, but in that also there are various, so it is an uncountable. We cannot say 1 degree or like that. 1 liter we can say, but broad category if we think, it is uncountable. Then much sorrow. Sorrow means sadness. हम ऐसे नहीं बोल सकते I have 5 degree of sorrowness. No, sorrow itself is uncountable. There we'll use much. Then much time, much luck. These are other example. Next is many. Many means a large number of. Much was a large quantity of. Many means a large number of. Okay, here it is used for countable, which can be counted. Okay, so many books, many friends, many years, many people. Okay, so these are you can count. Therefore many is used with countable and much is used with uncountable. Okay, and much generally refers to quantity and many refers to people or the numbers, as we say. Next is little, few. First we'll discuss what is little and few in general. Then we will see the 3 littles and the 3 fews. Okay. First, little. Little is used with uncountable nouns. Little को हम uncountable nouns के साथ use करते and few को countable nouns. Example, little help, little hope. Here little is used with help. You cannot say 1 degree help, 1 kilometer help or something like that. It is uncountable. Some help. Okay. So in that is कुछ थोड़ा सा help. Here little, so little is used with in the terms with uncountable nouns. Next is few. Few is used with countable nouns. Few को हम use करेंगे वो nouns जिसको हम count कर सकते हैं. Example, few books, few films, few footwears, few pencils. Okay, that which can be counted. So few is used with the countable nouns and little is used with the uncountable nouns. Okay. Next is a little, the little. Little, a little, the little. Okay. First we'll discuss little. Little is used almost in the negative sense. It means almost none, zero. ठीक है. Little कब यूज करते हैं? जब वो नेगेटिव टर्म्स में हो, मतलब है ही नहीं वो चीज, वैसे बता ना हो, मतलब क्या है कि बहुत ही कम क्वांटिटी में है, बट कह सकते हो कि इट इज़ नॉट देयर, इट इज़ नॉट सफिशिएंट. ठीक है, तो वैसे टर्म्स में बताना हो तो तुम लिटिल यूज़ करोगे. एग्जाम्पल, आई हैव लिटिल मनी, आई कैन नॉट बाई चॉकलेट्स फॉर यू. आई हैव मनी बट इट इज़ वेरी लिटिल, but we cannot use for buying chocolates. Almost it's equal to 0. मतलब है just for the sake of name it is there, but of no use, it's almost 0. Next is he has little interest in sports. Very least, almost 0 interest. He does not like to be in sports. So that is little. Clear? Next is a little. A little refers to at least some, though not much. First case में क्या था? Little. That means almost 0. In this case, it means at least some. Something is there. Little bit it's there. We still have a little money with us. We can buy a decent dinner. ऐसे नहीं कि we are nil. We have some money with us. थोड़ा पैसा है. We have a little money with us which we can use. मतलब रिसोर्स है, सफिशिएंट है, जितना इनफ चाहिए वो है. तो उसको उस केस में तुम लोग अ लिटिल यूज करोगे, क्योंकि इट्स देयर इन सफिशिएंट क्वांटिटी एंड यू कैन यूज दैम. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज गिव मी अ लिटिल शुगर. मीन्स आई जस्ट वांट little bit of sugar, not very much quantity, but that little should be sufficient. Okay. So here a little refers to at least some. थोड़ा बहुत तो है ही, ऐसा नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं, जितना यूज कर सकते उतना है. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज द लिटिल. द लिटिल refers to the whole quantity, though very little or all that is. Okay. द लिटिल मतलब में जितना क्वांटिटी है वो पूरा. अब वो बहुत ही कम क्वांटिटी है लेकिन वो पूरे को हम इंक्लूड करते हैं. ठीक है. फर्स्ट केस वाज लिटिल, इट वाज दैट इट इज देयर बट नन ऑफ द यूज, जीरो के टर्म्स में अवेलेबल है जो यूजफुल नहीं है. सेकेंड केस में इट इज देयर एटलीस्ट सम, थोड़ा तो है एंड यू कैन यूज इट. एंड थर्ड, जो थोड़ा है वही है, उसके ज़्यादा भी नहीं उससे कम भी नहीं, जितना यू कैन सी दैट इज व्हाट इज देयर, नॉट बियॉन्ड दैट, नॉट लेस देन दैट. ओके. द लिटिल राइस दैट द शॉपकीपर ऑफर्ड मी वॉज of an inferior quality. The little rice that the shopkeeper offered me was of an inferior quality. This means जो थोड़ा बहुत राइस उसने दिया वही खराब निकला. So he was having little and that he gave me and it was of bad quality. Another is I bought a bar of chocolate with the little money I had. I had few money, that is I had the little money with me, not much, the little, and I have used to buy the chocolate. So here it is the little. Understood? Little, a little, the little. Little is almost none. A little is some. Little bit is there. At least some. And third is enough there. Means it is there and whatever is there, that is the final. All that is. जो दिख रहा है उतना ही है. Not more than that, not less than that. Whole quantity. Yes. Clear? Understood? Next is few, a few, the few. We had discussed that. Little हम use करते हैं uncountable nouns में. Few with the countable nouns. So let us see what is the difference between the three. Few refers to not many, almost none. Similar. Little का जैसे वैसे ही. Little हम use करते हैं but it refers to almost none. Zero. है ही नहीं ऐसे terms में. बट इतना ही डिफरेंस है, एक अनकाउंटेबल के साथ जाता है एंड दिस गोज विद द काउंटेबल. दैट इज दिस टीवी चैनल इज नॉट गुड, इट शोज फ्यू गुड प्रोग्राम्स. This channel is not that good because it shows few programs and that also you can say it cannot be counted. जरूरत ही नहीं, वैसा nil. Okay. Then few people here are vegetarian. Means there are few and you can say almost zero people. Almost everyone is not vegetarian. Only few are there and that too you can say we cannot count them. Just one or two. ऐसा almost none की category में देखेंगे. So that is few. Few here refers to not many, almost none. कोई है ही नहीं, वैसा गिन लो. Zero equal to zero. मतलब we can say that it's not there. ऐसा. Next is a few. A few refers to at least some, though not many. A few में again a little में क्या था, थोड़ा सा था, बहुत सारा नहीं but थोड़ा था. Similarly, a few also refers to at least some, not many. बहुत सारा ऐसा नहीं but some much, little bit is there. Okay, थोड़ा है. He has only a few friends. Friends can be counted, so we have used a few, not little friends. Okay, a few. So here a few refers to some. He has some friends. We cannot say that he has a big gang, but he has few friends. Has a few friends and they are good. बहुत सारे नहीं but they are there. Okay. Next, last evening I went to the city center with a few friends. Again, not with many friends but with a few friends. So here also it is the same. Few we are using with the countable. Few refers to almost zero, means it is there but it's better that not to count it, means नहीं गिन सकते वैसा. Second is a few, means it little bit is there, बहुत सारा नहीं but little bit is there. Okay, जितना चाहिए थोड़ा बहुत है, limited. Yes. Next is the few. The few refers to all of them, though very few. Little bit only is there but all of them can be included, just like the little. The little में भी ऐसे ही था, we had few, means very very less we had, but that whole can be counted. That is the same thing. Few, the few में भी वही है, थोड़ा बहुत ही है but we'll count all of them together. Example, Mohan gave away the few clothes he had. He just had few clothes, that also he gave away. ठीक है. Next is the few trees left on the hillside does not bear any fruit. That hillside has those few trees only. Those few trees that you can see, only that is there on the hillside, and they also don't have fruits. Means it is the only left. Still उसमें fruits नहीं है. These were the only clothes that he had. That also he gave away. So the few is referring to that some little bit is there and all are counted together. Clear? Understood the difference? Where to use few, a few, the few, little, a little, the little. दोनों में usage is similar. The only difference is few goes with the countable and little goes with the uncountable. बाकी use दोनों में same है. If you understand little, you will understand few also. Okay? Few या फिर little is used when almost it is zero. Next is a few or a little is used when it is there. Not much, but it is there. And it can be considered. Third is the few and the little. Whatever is there, though it is limited, but it is there and it is counted fully. And it is taken into consideration. Okay? Next is elder and eldest. Elder, eldest. When to use elder, when to use eldest. Elder and eldest are used with close family relations like daughters, sons, brothers, sisters, etc. ठीक है. Elder और eldest को हम close family relations में use करते हैं. That is daughter, son, brother, sister, etc. के बारे में बताने. वैसे relations जो होते हैं उसमें हम familial relations में हम generally elder और eldest को prefer करते हैं. We never use elder or eldest as a comparative followed by than. I told comparative degree में than लगता है. But whenever you use elder or eldest, you will never have than in the sentence. You will not use than. Okay? And next is we never use elder or eldest to talk about things. Yes, elder and eldest only talks about people and the relations, not about things. Elder is used when we speak about two family members. When the talking is between two family members, that is दो जन के बीच की हो बात, there we use elder. And if the comparison is between 3 or more family members, then we use eldest. Example of elder, my elder son. I have 2 sons, उसमें से elder one. His elder sister, he has 2 sisters, in that the elder one. Okay? Eldest कब? 3 or more than 3. Yes, I am the eldest of the 3 children. There are 3 children at my house and I am the eldest. The bigger one. Eldest one. Okay. Her eldest child is nearly 10. She has 3 or more than kids and out of them the eldest child, सबसे बड़ा जो है, that is 10-year-old. So eldest is used in terms when we are describing or we are speaking about 3 or more family members at the same time, and elder 2 or more family members. Clear? Next is older and oldest. Older and oldest denote age. Elder or eldest relationships the family. ओल्डर एंड ओल्डेस्ट जो है वो एज को रिफर करता है. दे कैन बी यूज बोथ विथ पर्सन्स एंड थिंग्स. दे कैन बी यूज विथ बोथ persons as well as things, but elder and eldest only with persons. We use older as the regular comparative form to describe people and things. Comparative degree, comparison between two, same way we are using older. My car is older than yours. तुम्हारे कार से भी पुराना है मेरा कार. Between two people the comparison is. Second, Shuchi is older than Vandita. शुचि इज ओल्डर देन वंदिता. वंदिता से भी ओल्डर है शुचि. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज वी यूज ओल्डेस्ट एज द रेगुलर सुपरलेटिव फॉर्म टू डिस्क्राइब पीपल एंड थिंग्स. ओल्डेस्ट को हम यूज करते हैं सुपरलेटिव, दैट इज मोर देन टू के बीच में कंपैरिजन हो रहा हो. ही इज द ओल्डेस्ट मैन अलाइव. दिस इज द ओल्डेस्ट पेयर ऑफ शूज आई हैव एवर आई हैव. ओके. He is the oldest man alive. सबसे oldest man है जो अभी जिंदा है. And another example, this is the oldest pair of shoes I have. This is the oldest one. सबसे पुराना pair of shoes that I am having. So older similar as the comparative, ठीक है, दो के बीच में हो, and oldest beyond that, 3 or more. They can be used both with for things as well as for people, and generally it is used to denote age. Yes, we are saying in the older, my car is older than yours, we are stating that our car has come, that is it is much older age terms. Okay. Another, oldest man alive, that is also in terms of age. So age के terms में हम older और oldest को prefer करते हैं, elder और eldest को भी, but they are generally used with familial relations. Next is latter, later, latest, latter, last. How to, when and how to use these four. First we'll discuss latter and last. Okay. Latter and last denote position. They are used when we are referring to position. Positions में बताना हो तब हम latter और last को use करेंगे. We use latter to refer to the second of two persons or things that have been mentioned. दो है means if we are talking about something, उसमें जो second person है, second of the two persons, दो people में से जो second one है उसके बारे में बात करना हो, या उस दो चीज़ों में से जो दूसरा चीज़ हो उसके बारे में बात करना हो, we use latter, L-A-T-T-E-R. ओके. दो में दूसरी चीज़ को डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हो तो. Example, he preferred oranges to apples because the latter were not as juicy. उसको oranges पसंद है apple से क्योंकि apples oranges जितने juicy नहीं थे. Latter here second is the apple, so apple के लिए हमने latter use किया है. Understood? He preferred oranges to apples because the latter were not as juicy. That means apples were not as juicy as the oranges. Clear? Next is when more than two have been mentioned, use last. दो हो तो we can use latter, the second one को point out करने, because we are denoting the position. But if there are more than two, then you will use last. Okay. He saw lethal weapon 1, 2, 3 and like the last one the most. Okay. तीन थे उसमें हमने latter नहीं use किया. Latter is for the second. We used last because we had more than two. So हमको दो से ज़्यादा हो और उसमें जो है उसका position बताना, so we can say last. Clear? Understood? More than two have been mentioned and we are denoting their position, we use last. If two are used, we use latter. Next is later and latest. Later and latest denotes time, both of them. Yes, the word later with one T. Later has only one T. It refers to a time in the future. I will do this work later. बाद में करेंगे. That later means बाद में. Latter नहीं, later. We shall be going to the hills in the later part of April. Later. बहुत बाद में, अप्रैल में जो लास्ट आएगा तब हम जाएंगे. So we are referring to something we are going to do in the future. At that time we can use later. And latest can be defined as the newest or most up to date. See, later मतलब आने वाला है. Latest means the recent one. अभी का, up to date. The latest news. Okay, the latest technology. He had published the latest information, the present, the very apt information जो अभी का है, अभी का. This present information or the newest one, when we say, it is the latest that we use. And for the future we use the later word. Clear? Okay. Next is nearest, next. Nearest denotes distance while next denotes position. नियरेस्ट मतलब डिस्टेंस के टर्म्स में बात कर रहे हो, यू विल यूज नियरेस्ट. हु लिव्स नियरेस्ट टू दी स्कूल, मतलब स्कूल से सबसे पास कौन है. सो नियरेस्ट इज रेफरिंग टू द डिस्टेंस. शी मेड हर वे टू द नियरेस्ट वेटिंग रूम. द नेक्स्ट मतलब जस्ट पास वाला वेटिंग रूम, ऑलमोस्ट जितने वेटिंग रूम में सबसे जो पास है, we are referring to the distance. So when we are referring to distance, we use nearest. And when we are denoting the position, that is just the next, the person next to you, means उसका position बता रहे. Nearest to you in the terms of distance हो जाएगा. Next to you means मतलब तुरंत तुम्हारे पास जो है, the very next person to you, पास वाला. Okay, that is position. Her house is next to mine. मेरे बाजू में ही है. Okay. Next is the kids are in the next room. The succeeding room. The next room. Understood? Nearest, next difference. So these were the correct uses of various adjectives like some, any, much, many, little, few. In that also three. Little, a little, the little. Few, a few, the few. Yes. Then elder, eldest, older, oldest, later, latest, latter, last. Yes, and last is nearest and next. Go through PPT very well. Try to understand what is being explained. Okay.